Hello guys, how it's going with you today? I will share with you and show you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem on Picsart on your phone. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. Now and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, what you should do, just go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Picsart. When you found Picsart, just open it like this, and then you have to go now directly to storage option. Then go to clear data and click OK, and then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last things is to go in to Play Store and update in your Picsart, and then you have to restart your phone and then go and open your Picsart. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.